Jersey number 14, shooting the ball. 15 seconds shot clock.
Oh!
Good four.
Good ba yun? 69-76. 7-point lead by LYC.
LYC 2 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Score natin 76-69 in favor of LYC. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. Pass jersey number 24. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Bagal ka sa 5 seconds shot clock. Nakabuhay ng foul. Kami with jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. First personal foul and 13 foul. Jersey number 14, Bautista passing the ball to jersey number 22. Balik sa kanya po na pass jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Lumayap yung number Simulino. Out of bounds. LYC ball. Jersey number 22. Pass jersey number 2 again. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Tira. Nuge. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, sama ko muna pass jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, Mendoza dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 20, Pagya dribbling the ball. Ready pa pass up bola, jersey number 28. Steal by jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, pass jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, pass jersey number 20, Bautista. Pass jersey number 22 again. Balik jersey number 2. We're gonna press punto. Jersey number 6 bring the ball. Jersey number 6 Canto pass jersey number 8. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 2. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Bautista nagbabagal and no pay up. Good for 2.
76-74. 2-point lead by LYC.
And 9 seconds to play. Isa na lang po ang dito ng time out ng Bliss. At isa pa po ang dito ng time out there ng LYC. Score po natin 76-74. Score po natin 76-74. Lamang ng dalawa ang LYC. Paging Tita Mary, tawag ko ni Elimaw. Paging ko Tita Mary, nandito si Elimaw sa baba. Galing may kantansya. Kuha ng LYC. Jersey number 21. Pass jersey number 28, pass jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, Pagay, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 20, pass jersey number 22. Jersey number 21. Balik sa kanya para 15 seconds shot clock. Nauubos sa oras jersey number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8.